now I'm recording the class. Yes, so the topic that we are starting today is skeleton of other animals. As we have discussed this earlier, that skeleton is a collection of bones that is present inside the human body. Okay? But it is not something that is present only in the human body. It is also something that is present in the body of animals as well. All right. Previously, we have done many things regarding the functions of a skeleton. That what is the function of a skeleton? What does the skeleton do in our body? Skeleton हमारी body में क्या करता है? It gives us a proper shape and it also gives us a proper structure. ठीक है? There are approximately 206 bones which is there in the human adult. यानी कि हम लोगों के अंदर कितनी bones है? 206 bones. और इसी तरीके से ये सारी bones किसके अंदर है? All these bones are present in the animals as well. हम चाहे जितने भी animals देख लें, all those animals have all those different kinds of bones. Right over here now I'm going to show you few of the images, and in those images you will see that different animals have different structures. All right, so over here, first of all, these are animals and their skeletons. If you can see, the first picture is of elephant, then the second one is of horse, then hyena, then whale and dog. If you can see, the outer partition of it is divided as the flesh, यानी कि उसकी ऊपर की body बताई हुई है, and then the inner part they are showing you the inner structure or the inner skeleton of the एनिमल्स. ये आपको अपने जितने भी एनिमल्स हैं इनका आपको इनर स्ट्रक्चर भी दिखा रहे हैं कि ये एनिमल्स अंदर से कैसे दिखते हैं. नाउ ओवर हियर if I'm going to show you the other image of it, you will see as this one. Yes, so this is the skeleton of fish, then the other one is the skeleton of chicken, then cow, and then crocodile. Yes, can you see the skeleton of a crocodile? It has such a long bone, है ना? It is a vertebrate. How can you say that it is a vertebrate? Because it has a backbone. Now everything that has a backbone to it is known as vertebrate. Chicken, can you see? Such an awkward and creepy kind of creature this chicken is looking. Chicken का जो structure है कितना अजीब सा लग रहा है ना? It's looking so creepy, है ना? It is also looking very horrible. Oh my god. Fish. All right. We have all. I think that every one of us has seen the structure of a fish. हम सबने फिश का skeleton तो देखा ही होगा. जब घर में फिश पकती है तब उसके अंदर से निकलता है ना फिश का skeleton, है ना? So that is the skeleton of a fish. And then the skeleton of a cow. This is also very huge. Cow की ribs देख रहे हैं? It's very huge. इतनी बड़ी होती है ना cow. So basically skeleton is present in every living thing. ठीक है? जो भी animals हो, birds हो, insects हो और humans हो, इन सब के अंदर skeleton होता ही होता है. Now some animals have a skeleton in their bodies and some have the skeletons on the outer surface of their bodies. The main thing is किसी किसी के अंदर उनका skeleton होता है but किसी के ऊपर भी उनका skeleton होता है. अब ये चीज कैसे हो सकती है? The animals or the insects which have the skeleton on the upper bodies are known as exoskeletons. वो insects especially ज्यादातर कीड़े होते हैं insects. Now those insects which have the skeletons outside their bodies are known as exoskeletons. All right. Now let me show you the pictures of exoskeletons. Yes. So this is the exoskeleton. Stiff covering on the outside of some creatures. Have you seen cockroaches or beetles? आप लोगों ने कीड़े मकोड़े देखे? Cockroaches होते हैं, beetles होते हैं, and there sometimes grasshoppers. What are these? इनकी आपको body shape पता चल रही थी ना बहुत clearly. Why? Because the outer part of these insects are very hard. इनका outer part बहुत hard होता है, बहुत strong, बहुत stiff होता है. And so the outer parts of such insects are known as exoskeleton. The stiff covering यानी कि जो कड़क सी covering इनके ऊपर होती है ना, इस creatures को हम कहते हैं exoskeleton. मतलब ये होता है कि इनका skeleton इनकी body के ऊपर ही नजर आ रहा होता है. There are not only beetles and cockroaches, but there are enormous of these insects. Yeah, over here the picture that I will show you right here are different examples of exoskeletons. For example, ewig, ठीक है, beetle, spider, shrimp, then scallop and snail. These are the different examples of exoskeletons. अगर मैं आपको इसको zoom करके दिखाऊं, so you will come to see that these have the skeletons on the upper part of their body. इनकी body बहुत stiff होती है. Yes, can you see it? All the bodies and outer covering of these are very stiff, and so you can easily get the skeleton of these from the upper part of it. इनके मरने का हमें वेट नहीं करना होता कि उसके बाद इनका skeleton दिखेगा. No, even when they are alive, still you will be able to see the top coverings of it, and so these creatures are known as exoskeletons. ठीक है? ह्यूमंस और बाकी एनिमल्स को हम एक्सोस्केलेटन्स नहीं कह सकते बिकॉज हमारे स्केलेटन्स टोटली हमारी बॉडी के अंदर है. But these types of insects which have these stiff outer coverings are known as exoskeletons because their skeleton lies on the top of their body. ठीक है, यहाँ तक की बात क्लियर हुई. Now, why do you think that skeleton of an animal is important for it? Now, skeleton of the animals are important in order to know the creature. For example, dinosaurs. We cannot see dinosaurs in today's world. Dinosaur हमारी लाइफ में अब नहीं है. Why? Because it has instinct. But because of the fossils of the dinosaurs, we know that sometime it does exist. ठीक है, एक टाइम ऐसा था जब डायनासोर्स एग्जिस्ट करते था और वो हमें कैसे पता चलता है? बिकॉज ऑफ फॉसिल्स. नाउ व्हाट आर फॉसिल्स? फॉसिल्स आर द लेफ्ट ओवर पार्ट्स ऑफ समथिंग. ठीक है, द लेफ्ट ओवर और स्पेयर ऑफ समथिंग, यानी कि जो चीज सब दुनिया में नहीं है बट उसका लेफ्ट ओवर्स या उसके स्केलेटन्स या उसके लेफ्ट ओवर पार्ट्स आपको अगर कहीं से मिल जाते हैं, so you came to know that yes, these are the fossils of something और ये चीज एग्जिस्ट करती थी. So because of the fossils of dinosaurs, this image that I'm showing it to you is the fossil of dinosaur. And because of these fossils, there were some people who came to know about the existence of dinosaurs. लोगों को पता चला कि भाई previous life में कोई dinosaur नाम का animal भी exist करता था. और वो कैसे पता चला? Because of this fossil skeleton. उसका जो skeleton दुनिया में बचा हुआ था ना, उसके fossil से लोगों को पता चला. All right. So this is the reason that skeleton is important, and skeleton exists in every living creature. So even if the creature become extinct, या अगर creature इस दुनिया से खत्म भी हो जाते हैं तो उनके fossil से और उनके skeleton से आपको पता चल जाता है that sometimes or some days or previously these creatures were existed. All right.